It may not be possible for us to go into details with respect to that, because that will touch the merits of the case. But suffice it to say that we fielded our last witness today, who, as you can see, tendered very, very critical documents pertaining to the qualifications of the second respondent, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the academic qualifications, including the NYSC certificate, and then the conviction, the criminal forfeiture judgment from the U.S. as well as the Guinean passport. So all these documents were admitted by the court, and we were able to round off our case on that note, having called 27 witnesses. So, and as the law permits us, and also in accordance with the pre-hearing report, we have eventually closed the calling of evidence by the petitioner. So the next stage now is for the respondents. If they have any defense, they will bring forward their own witnesses, and it will now be our turn to cross-examine those witnesses. If we have documents to challenge them with, we'll do so. When they finish calling their witnesses, they too will close their case formally, and then the parties will now address the court on issues of law. That's why you see most of the times questions are asked, we say these are matters for address, because there are legal issues that at the end of the day will address the honorable court on. So we are very happy that this second stage, we've finished with the pre-hearing. Now we have concluded with the presentation of the petitioner's case, and we're very happy reviewing entirely what has been presented before the court. So we'll now wait to hear from the respondent, and when they finish, we all leave everything in the hands of the court. Thank you very much. Yes.
The witnesses you presented so far, especially the key witnesses.
Yes.
Their submission seems, from an observer standpoint,
yes,
their submission seems to be undoing the case of your clients. Can you speak otherwise than that?
You see, like I said, we try not to touch the merits of the case. What we usually will want to do is just to inform you the stages at which we are, even though it would have helped to enlighten you, on that, but we'll refrain from so doing. Yes, it's for the court to determine, but our responsibility is to present the case, which we have done by the documents you saw we tendered, as well as the witnesses we called. There's a division of labor in this industry. The lawyers will do their own bit, the lawyers for the petitioners, the respondents will do their own bit, and then the court will summarize everything and then present the judgment. Thank you.
Thank you very much.